Assalamu alaikum, my dear Falconians of class 3. I am your science teacher, Miss Maha Rehan, and today in this video, I am going to start a new lesson, which is lesson number 15, How the Earth Moves, science book, page number 119. So kindly open your book and copies. First of all, I am going to give you the explanation of the topic, then you have to write down the question and answers. So, the first topic of how the earth moves is what is earth? The definition about earth. Always remember that there are overall 9 planets in our solar system. In those 9 planets, earth is the third planet from the sun in our solar system, and we human beings live on the earth. For example, I live on the earth, you live on the earth, and all the other human beings or plants and animals, they all live on the earth. We have daytime and nighttime due to the movement of earth. As you all know that our earth is revolving around the sun, and due to the revolution of earth around the sun, sometimes we have daytime and on the other hand we have nighttime. And overall daytime and nighttime is of 24 hours. Now, moving on towards the seasons. As you know that there are overall 4 seasons every year. The first one is the summer season, the second one is the winter season, the third one autumn, and the fourth one is spring. Now, if I talk about that what is the summer season, so the summer is the hottest season. On contrary, on the other side, the winter is the coldest season. But if we talk about autumn, autumn is the cold season, but it is not that much cold as compared to winter. And the last one is the spring season, which is the warmer season. Not that much hot or not that much cold. It is in the middle. That is why it is called the warmer season. So these are overall 4 seasons which we have every year. Now, moving on towards the diagram of a season, as you can see that one time it is summer, then autumn, winter, spring. So these are overall 4 seasons around the sun. Then moving on towards the rotation of the earth. As I told you that due to the revolution and rotation of the earth have daytime and nighttime. Now, first of all, I am giving you the explanation about the rotation of earth. What is meant by the rotation? For example, if we take a ball, first of all, I am giving you the example of a ball. If we take a ball and pierce a knitting needle through its center, so we can spin the ball around the needle. For example, if we have a ball and we place the needle in the center, so we can move that needle and our ball can spin. In the same way, the earth spins around the line through its center, and this is the imaginary line, and that imaginary line is called the axis, and all this spinning of the earth is called the rotation of the earth. It is this spinning movement of earth that causes day and night. Due to this spinning movement, we have the daytime, and on the other hand we have the nighttime. Now, as I have told you that the earth is rotating on its own axis, but we cannot feel this movement. Why? If we are standing on the earth, as I have told you that we human beings are living on the earth, but we cannot feel this movement. Why? This is because everything on the earth, including the air, moves with it. Because all the things are moving, so we are not able to feel this movement, this rotation of earth. Now, let me show you the simple diagram of rotation of earth. As you can see that in the middle, white line is the axis, imaginary axis, and the earth is moving, spinning around this imaginary axis. On one side it is the daytime, and on the other side it is the nighttime. Then after some hours, when it rotates, then on the one side it will be daytime, and then on the other side it will be nighttime. So this rotation of earth continues. Now, with this rotation of earth, what will happen? As you can see in the diagram that the sun is on one side, and that portion of the earth which is facing the sun is bright and it has a daytime. But on the other hand, that portion of the earth which is not facing the sun, it is dark, so it has the night time. Now let me give you the whole explanation on this topic. First of all, I am giving you the example of a torch. For example, shine a torch on the ball in a dark room. For example, there is a dark room and there is one ball. You are shining the torch on the ball. The torch represents the sun and the ball is the earth. Notice, for example, if you are shining the torch, so only half the ball is lit. The other half part of the ball is dark. Now spin the ball around the needle. What will happen? The dark area now becomes lighted and the lighted area goes into dark one. So similarly, same goes for the rotation. As the earth spins on its axis, day and night follow each other. The portion of the earth facing the sun has the daytime, and on the other hand, the portion of the earth facing away from the sun has the nighttime. For example, if there are two countries, the first one is Pakistan and the second one is America. Pakistan and America are on opposite sides of the earth. For same goes, when we have the day in Pakistan, then it will be night in America. And when we have the day in America, so it will be night in Pakistan. It goes oppositely due to the rotation of the earth. I hope you all get my point. Now let me show you the simple diagram. This is a diagram. As you can see, this is the sun on the left hand side and the earth on the right hand side. That portion of the earth which is facing the sun is lit, but on the other hand, that portion of the earth which is away from the sun is dark. Now, this is the whole explanation of today's video. What is your home assignment, class 3? Open your science copies and first of all, make a title page of lesson number 15, how the earth moves. You have to make a complete and clear title page of how the earth moves, a proper title page, and make sure that title page must be drawn on a line page. Then after the title page, you have to write down the first question along with the date. The first question is define rotation of earth. Write down 2 to 3 lines definition of earth, and this definition is also present in your science book page number 119, and I have also shown you the definition. This first point is the definition of rotation of earth. Then the second question is how rotation of earth causes day and night. You have to write down that how, with the help of how day and night is caused. For example, this is the whole answer of second point. As the earth spins on its axis, day and night follow each other. The portion of the earth facing the sun has day, the portion facing away from the sun has night. Then the last question is name the 4 seasons in a web. You have to make a web on a line page and write down the 4 seasons: summer, winter, autumn, spring, as I have told you earlier. So complete these given questions in your science exercise copies. Inshallah, I will be meeting with you with the further on topics till your next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day, class 3.